Hello, wonderful guys! Have you ever struggled with messy kitchens, wasted time, or gadgets that just don't work? Well, today, I'm about to change the way you cook and clean forever. Imagine slicing, stirring, frying, and organizing, all faster, easier, and smarter than ever before. This isn't just another kitchen tool, it's a total game changer. Let me show you why this every gadget make your life easy and comfortable, looking your kitchen and home very smart. Tired of scrubbing pans and dealing with uneven cooking? Meet the Elite Gourmet Extra Deep Electric Skillet, Easy Pour Spout Dishwasher, safe your new kitchen hero. With its marbleized honeycomb non-stick surface, food slides right off, making cleanup effortless. Just wipe or toss it in the dishwasher. The rapid, even heating ensures perfectly cooked meals every time, while the extra-large 10.5 quart capacity lets you cook for the whole family with ease. Sear, fry, or simmer with precise temperature control, and lock in flavors with the tempered glass lid. No mess, no stress, just delicious food made simple. Upgrade your kitchen today. Marastan 8.5 quart air fryer. The game changer for quick, crispy, and guilt-free meals. Fast and flawless. No preheating, no problem. Cook juicy chicken, crispy fries, and more in minutes. Watch the magic happen. The visual window lets you see your food transform. No more guessing. 8 presets. One touch. Effortless cooking with auto shutoff and shake reminders for even crisp perfection. Upgrade your kitchen and impress your taste buds. Who needs takeout when you have this? Tired of twisting and shaking? Say hello to the rechargeable electric grinder set. One press, and you get the perfect grind hands-free. No more batteries, just USB recharge and go. The LED light ensures precision seasoning, while the adjustable coarseness lets you control every sprinkle. Made from sleek stainless steel, it's not just a grinder, it's a statement for your kitchen. Smooth, effortless, and mess-free. Once you try it, you'll never go back. Imagine sipping your iced coffee, boba, or cocktail from the perfect glass. Crystal clear, stylish, and designed just for you. These beer can-shaped tumblers make every drink feel special. With bamboo lids and glass straws, they're eco-friendly, spill-proof, and effortlessly chic. No plastic, no waste, just pure aesthetic vibes. Whether it's a morning brew or a midnight cocktail, your drink deserves an upgrade. Once you try these, you'll never go back. Soft, warm light flickers as fresh flowers glow inside. This isn't just a lamp, it's a statement. The crystal vase lamp transforms any space with luxury and romance, doubling as a flower vase and ambient light. With a touch-controlled dimmer and 60-hour rechargeable battery, it's cordless, elegant, and effortlessly chic. Perfect for date nights, cozy evenings, or that high-end decor look, because your home deserves a touch of magic. Once you see it, you'll want one in every room. Imagine a kitchen where spices stay fresh, organized, and elegantly displayed. The Agaro Elegant Glass Spice Jar Set isn't just storage, it's a kitchen upgrade. With crystal clear glass jars, a sleek metal stand, and durable steel finish lids, your favorite spices are always within reach. The wide mouth design makes scooping effortless, while the modern look adds a touch of sophistication to your countertop. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to style and convenience. Unlock the secret to perfect flavor with the Chef Sophie Extra Large Mortar and Pestle Set. Crafted from durable polished granite, this 8-inch 5-cup capacity mortar and pestle set beauty makes crushing, grinding, and muddling easier than ever. 2 pestles, one for tough ingredients and the other for finer tasks, make food prep a breeze. Whether it's for fresh guacamole, salsa, or even grinding pills, this versatile tool does it all. Say goodbye to constant refills and hello to effortless, big batch cooking. Your kitchen's new best friend is here. Imagine freshly squeezed juice with zero effort. Just press a button. The Vinci Hands Free Electric Citrus Juicer is your new kitchen hero, making fresh juice in seconds. Whether it's oranges, lemons, or grapefruits, it works with all citrus fruits and gives you the perfect juice every time. No mess, no stress. With dishwasher-safe parts and a BPA-free bowl, cleanup is just as easy. Say goodbye to squeezing by hand and enjoy organic, fresh juice with less sugar. Perfect for healthy drinks, cocktails, and recipes. Upgrade your kitchen with effortless juicing today. Say goodbye to unevenly baked pizza and hello to the Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating oven. With its rotating tray and top and bottom heating elements, every bite bakes to perfection, and you get even heat distribution every time. Energy efficient and quick, it saves up to 60% in energy compared to your traditional oven. Plus, its removable non-stick pan makes cleanup a breeze. From pizza to snacks, it's the perfect kitchen companion for flawless, fast results. Tired of scrubbing pans and dealing with uneven cooking? Meet the Elite Gourmet Extra Deep Electric Skillet, Easy Pour Spout Dishwasher, safe your new kitchen hero. With its marbleized honeycomb non-stick surface, food slides right off, making cleanup effortless. Just wipe or toss it in the dishwasher. The rapid, even heating ensures perfectly cooked meals every time, while the extra-large 10.5 quart capacity lets you cook for the whole family with ease. Sear, fry, step into comfort with the Mattitude Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Mats. These ergonomically designed mats provide the perfect mix of softness and support, making long hours in the kitchen feel like walking on a cloud. Made from premium, durable materials, these non-slip mats stay securely in place, ensuring safety while you cook, clean, or work. With a stylish black and gray design, they're the perfect addition to any home or commercial space. Say goodbye to tired feet and enjoy every moment in your kitchen. Cook with peace of mind and style with the Greenpan Rio Essence Cookware Set. This 10-piece set, including fry pans, saucepans, stockpot, and sauté pan, is PFOA, PFAS, lead, and cadmium-free, making it healthy and toxin-free. Reinforced with diamond-infused ceramic for superior durability, it ensures even heating and effortless cleanup. The induction-ready base works on all cooktops, while stay-cool wood print handles. Transform your dull knives into razor-sharp tools with the Secura 2-stage electric knife sharpener featuring diamond abrasives. For a quick, effortless sharpening process, this tool restores and polishes your knives to perfection. With precision angle guides, you can easily refine your blade for the ultimate edge, making meal prep easier and safer. Plus, the non-slip suction cups keep it steady while you work. Create fresh, restaurant-quality pasta at home with the Philips Kitchen Appliances Compact Pasta and Noodle Maker. In just 18 minutes, this compact machine kneads and extrudes perfect pasta for 2 to 3 servings. With 3 classic shaping discs for spaghetti, penne, and fettuccine, you can enjoy custom flavors by adding eggs, herbs, or even veggie juices like spinach and carrot. Its space-saving design keeps it handy for daily use, while the built-in storage makes organizing a breeze. Elevate your pasta game today. Stay organized on the go with the Zolly's capsule-shaped toothbrush case. This portable, lightweight holder keeps your toothbrush and toothpaste safe, perfect for travel, camping, or road trips. Made from food-grade, non-toxic plastic, it's eco-friendly and easy to carry. Introducing the newness, WYSIWHISK, the ultimate semi-automatic kitchen tool. Say goodbye to electric whisks and hand strain. Just press and stir for smooth, effortless mixing. Whether you're whisking eggs, beating cream, or making cakes, sauces, and desserts, this tool does it all. Crafted from premium stainless steel, it's built to last and resistant to rust. With its upgraded internal rotating device, it can handle over 5,000 uses without losing efficiency. Plus, it's easy to clean. Just rinse and go. Perfect for every home chef. Susty's Electric Kettle, where vintage elegance meets modern efficiency. Boil 1.7 liters of water in just 5 to 6 minutes with 1,500 watts fast heating and auto shutoff protection for safety. Premium 1880 stainless steel interior, BPA, free plastic components, and a scratch-resistant exterior ensure durability. Featuring an easy-to-read thermometer, ergonomic heat-resistant handle, and a V-shaped spout for precise pouring, This kettle is designed for effortless tea and coffee making, stylish, practical, and built to last.